Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to turn off notifications in your Sofi account. So what you want to do is head on over to Sofi.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. Once you're over at Sofi, log in to your account, and in the upper right hand corner you'll find your name and your profile image. We're going to click on that. That's going to open up this drop down menu, and what we want to do is click on where it says My Profile. And this is going to take us over to our personal information page. What we want to do is go over and click on the tab that says Notification Preferences. We're going to select that. And this is going to be the area where you can set your notification preferences for personal loans, money, credit card, investing, relay, member benefits, student loan, and member newsletters. All you have to do is check or uncheck the boxes for the things that you'd like to get notifications for. So you can just go through line by line and see exactly the things that have the notifications turned on. And if you don't want to be notified of the things that it lists, then you can just uncheck the box and you'll no longer get those particular notifications. And there isn't any area where you have to click to save. It's just going to automatically save your settings if you check or uncheck the boxes for the notifications. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you where you can locate your notification preferences in your Sofi account and how you can go about changing them. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.